Magandang buhay Pilipinas, magandang buhay mga ka-okay. Gusto ko lang pong i-share sa inyo yung video na ginawa ng aking mga Angels, yung mga player ko ng softball. Kasi talagang gusto kong i-share sa inyo yung kung gaano sila kasaya, kung gaano sila natuto, kung gaano na-build yung kanilang friendship at yung relationship nila. Talagang nakakatuwa po. Eto, panoorin nyo at sana'y ma-inspire din kayo kahit paano at meron kayong matutunan.
We began bright and early to go to one place where we look back to special days. We depend on each other and learn as we listen. In this place, we're gonna make things happen. As we gather here today, we make a pledge to serve others, to be the best. Let nothing bring us down. Always say we can. Let the whole world know we're gonna make things happen. When the future comes around, we'll turn and see the promise in one's eyes and say there's more that can be. We'll welcome that day, but until then, the future's in our hands and we're gonna make things happen. As we gather here today, we make a pledge to serve others, to be the best. Let nothing bring us down. Always say we can. As we gather here today, we make a pledge to serve others, to be the best. Let nothing bring us down. Always say we can. Let the whole world know we're gonna make things happen. Let the whole world know we're gonna make things
Ayun, nakita nyo po, di ba? Ang saya-saya nila at talagang kung saan-saan sila nakarating. At ang dami-dami nilang natutunan sa kanilang pagsasama. Kaya yung po in-encourage ko kayo, yung mga kabataan na talagang be active. Mag-join kayo sa mga clubs, sa mga kung ano-anong pwede nyong salihan para mas lalong ma-develop ang inyong mga personality. At lalo-lalo na sa sports program, napakadaming ma-develop sa inyo. At talagang makakarating kayo sa iba't ibang lugar at makakalibre pa kayo ng edukasyon sa college kapag kayo ay nahasa ng gusto. Kaya ni-encourage ko kayo na mag-join sa sports program at sa iba't ibang club at maging active. Ayun po. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood at don't forget to share, like, and then subscribe. Siyempre, click yung notification bell para updated kayo sa mga susunod na video. Maraming salamat. God bless you all. Mabuhay kayong lahat. Bye!